Ordi just went wild, up 230% in 24 hours, now around $9 with massive trading volume. So the real question, is this the start of a bullish momentum or just a trap? When a coin pumps this fast, it's often driven by hype and aggressive buying. If volume keeps building, we could see continuation. But if momentum slows, profit taking can hit hard. That's why timing and levels matter more than ever right now. I've just shared some premium trading signals on my Patreon, including key support zones and realistic target levels you don't want to miss. If you're new, there's also a starter plan for just $10, a simple way to test things out. And if you've got a chart you want analyzed, just DM me anytime. Happy to take a look. Check the link below for full details, and let's grow together. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.